In this video, we will teach you how to install the GCam on your Android to improve your photos. So let us get to it. If you are tired of your phone photos coming out a bit washed out with noise at night, or that the native processing of your brand destroys the details, installing the GCam or the Google camera is the best photographic hack you can do to your Android. This way, you will be able to squeeze the sensors of your camera to the maximum thanks to Google's algorithm. However, a key technical detail must be clarified. The official Google camera application is designed exclusively for Pixel phones. So if you have a phone of this brand, simply go to the Play Store, download the GCam, and that is it. But what we are going to install is a port or modified version adapted by developers from the community to work on other brands like Xiaomi, Samsung, Motorola, and many other brands. So the first thing you have to do is pass your phone through a small test to know if it is suitable. These tests consist of two steps. The first is to ensure the compatibility of our camera to use the GCam and the type of processor. Although this works on several processors, phones with the Snapdragon chip have the highest compatibility and stability with the GCam. So the first step is to go directly to the Play Store and download a free application called Camera 2 API Pro. You will have to press the install button, and once it is installed, press open. In this hardware support section, you will see 4 possible levels: legacy, limited, full, and level 3. If your device marks the full level or level 3, it will normally come out in green or blue color. This means that you can install the GCam without problems, but if it marks legacy, unfortunately your system blocks advanced access to the app so that it cannot open. So we have already passed our compatibility filter, and we know that we can install the GCam on our device without a problem. Now, the second step is to get the correct APK. Since it is not in the Play Store for other models, we have to look for the installer in the official and safe repository of the developer community. For this, we have to go to our web browser. Once we are here, we will have to look for a trusted website par excellence called Celso Acevedo GCam Hub. When you type it, press search, and it will appear in the first result. Here you will see suggested more stable versions released by recognized developers like BSG, Bitcaca, or Xamarin. The most used and stable versions are usually GCam 8.1, 8.9, or the recent 9.2. So you will have to look in this download section and touch the button that says stable versions. I am going to look among versions 9, which are for Android, in its version 12 onwards. In this case, I will download the BSG 9.4, and then we scroll down again until we find the direct link of this version. As you can see, it is an APK that we have to download, and my phone is asking me to confirm the download. We wait a few seconds until the download is complete, and once it is downloaded, we press open. We select the installation package, and then we confirm that we want to install this version. If you have never installed an APK that is not directly from the Play Store, it is probable that your device will request some additional permissions to execute third-party applications. You will have to grant these permissions so that the application can be installed. Once the installation is finished, you will have to touch the open button, and then you will have to grant all the permissions that the camera is requesting from you. As you can see, once you finish the installation, now you have 2 shortcuts to the camera on your device by default. So you will have to open the version you just installed, and once you are inside the application, you can start configuring it just the way you want. You will have to configure it as you want and start performing the test to see which one works best for you, since the performance and execution of this application will depend specifically on your processing model, your processing version. You will have to see the operating system and the type of camera that your mobile device has integrated. So let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. And that is all for our video this time. We hope it has been useful to you. If it was, leave us a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos we will bring you. Until next time.